Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Danish Aiman and I'm from the DIB3B and my number meter is 1064. Between a motorcycle and bicycle, I choose a motorcycle. So let's me describe about a motorcycle. So for this presentation, I choose one motorcycle for the example. So I choose, you can see the picture here. The motorcycle name is 125ZR. That's a nickname. The full name is Y125ZR. This motorcycle from Yamaha. Okay. Feature for the motorcycle have two brakes and have two side mirror and have two tires, two rim, and body and engine. And others. The characteristic for this motorcycle, the CC for this motorcycle is 125 CC. Have a 2-pot brake at front and back. The size for the tire is 80-90 and the back tires is 70-90. Okay, the value of this motorcycle, you can use this motorcycle for long destination, right? And you can save money because the maintenance is not high, and you can use for go to work or go to vacation. This motorcycle can solve your problem, such as you can go work quickly because you do not to have face the traffic jam. Second, you don't have too much energy, better than bicycle, because this motorcycle is easy to use. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfadhlina Fitri Binti Aziz from DIB3B. My metric number is F1070. So in this video, I want to compare a bicycle and motorcycle. So for me, I prefer bicycle than motorcycle. This is a picture of bicycle that I choose. There are many features at bicycle. One of them is handlebar. Bicycle handlebar is steering control for bicycle. Besides steering control, handlebar can support a portion of a rider which might depending on their riding position. Okay, the next one is brake lever. Okay, the basic function of brake lever is to activate the brake mechanism, which allows people to slow down or stop while they are riding a bike. Okay, the second point is characteristic of bicycle that I choose. Okay, first one is color of bicycle. Okay, the color is black and white. I choose that color because it looks smart for me. Okay, the next one is the size of bicycle. The specific size bicycle for me is size XS, which is the inches is 13 to 14 and the centimeter is 148 until 158. The next one is the function of bicycle. Okay, there are many functions at bicycle. For example is when I want to feel free time, I can going out with my friend and spend the time with cycling near the house. I also can get a healthy body and can spend my free time to do beneficial things. Okay, that's all for me and Ahmad Danish Aiman to compare a bicycle